Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Osmo and then going over some of its features. So let's get right into it. Hey, look what just came. We just got the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Can't wait to get this thing open. So let's not waste any more time and let's unbox it and then look at some of its features. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this. It is beautiful. DJI, they sure do a great job boxing their products, do they not? Nicely wrapped. Do not try this at home. I went ahead and I opted for the combo. And the difference between the two is the combo comes with a carrying case and a tripod. Here's the carrying case. Little compartment in the back so you can slide something in here, perhaps your phone. What a beautiful little case. Very light. Now look at that. Here's the tripod that it comes with. Look at the sleek little design. So again, opt for the combo. It's $20 difference between the two. And if you notice, it just screws onto the bottom of this. The Osmo Mobile 3 is more portable than ever. Why? Because of its foldable design now. It's light, it's sleek, it weighs less than 1 pound. So there is no reason you would not bring the Osmo Mobile 3 everywhere you go. You can just toss it in a bag, toss it into your wife's purse, put it into a backpack. So no matter where you go, you can bring it. Why? It's portable, it's sleek, it's light. The Osmo Mobile 3 uses the Mimo app, which is pretty awesome. Inside the Mimo app, you have the story mode. For just one tap, you have multiple templates that you can add music, you can add other effects, you can edit, and even filter. And right from the app itself, just hit share. The Osmo Mobile 3 uses the gesture control. So one simple gesture, you can snap a selfie, you can start recording just again with that one gesture, or you can switch the camera from the front to the back. The Osmo Mobile 3 uses the Active Track 3.0. Simply press the trigger, make a gesture, or select a subject and start tracking. It's just that easy. The Osmo Mobile 3 uses the panorama, time-lapse, slow motion, and sport mode. Sport mode has been totally redesigned with the Mobile 3. You can capture fast-paced action so that you never miss a moment. So what we are going to do is we're going to get out there and get going on this Osmo and check out some of its features. And then we will make another video of its features and let you know what we like and what we don't like, what we found hard to operate, and give you some tips from there. But I'm not going to stick around. I got to get out there and start playing with this. So I'll see you at the next video.